Hey guys, today we are going to check out Brauer Motion. Let's listen to what we have for the demo. We're going to use it on that trumpet that we just heard. So first we are going to set our bars into 2. We'll use a sine modulator. We'll use a circle path type and we'll set our sensitivity to 20. Make sure it's synchronized. We'll add 15 milliseconds of pre-delay and we'll set our trigger to simple. At the dynamics section, we're gonna set the compression to 4:1 and we'll increase our drive a little bit. We'll also make sure that our mix is at 50% and we are ready to listen to it. Here's before. After. Try it and let me know in the comments what you think.